Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today there will be no charts, no technical analysis, and actually Bitcoin didn't make much during these 24 hours. So today I would like to address some interesting problem, namely how our brain tricks us and how we make wrong decisions based on our emotions or often intuition, and this is going against the logic usually. So hopefully it will be useful for, like in general, for your trading and investment decisions as well. Actually, I kind of stole this idea of this video from the channel In It For The Money. Asger Folman also explained this in his way, so I'd like to still share it with my audience. So the problem which we are talking about is called Monty Hall problem, and it's formulated like this. Well, there are different ways, but just imagine you have 3 boxes, okay? And in one of those boxes you have a Bitcoin. In 2 other boxes you have an XRP coin in each of them. So you should choose in which box there is a Bitcoin. If you guess right, then you'll get this Bitcoin. Apparently you can't just guess, and the probability of your right guess will be 33%, because like 1/3, 3 boxes, one choice. Okay, so you're choosing one box, and then you are say that we can show you one other box, one of the 2 other boxes, show that there is XRP there. So another box is opened, you see there is XRP in this box, and you have 2 boxes left, the one which you chose initially and another box. So now you can change your choice, your initial choice, to another box. So would you make this change? Would you switch to another box or not? So the usual answer, the usual way of thinking from people is that, so I have 2 boxes, I already made my choice for one of them, so the probability of my choice being correct is 50%, because I have 2 boxes. One box should have Bitcoin, another should have XRP, so I may be wrong, but it's like 50-50. If I will change my mind, it's also 50% that I'll be right. So basically there is no reason to change your decision. It doesn't affect the probability of your guess being right. So this is absolutely wrong. The idea here is that you can, sorry for the car. So the idea is here is that you will win if you will change your choice after the opening of one of the 3 boxes, only in the case if you initially make a wrong decision. And the probability of that is 2/3, because there are 3 boxes and only one had a Bitcoin. So initially there are 2/3 of the chances that, like 66% chance that you made a wrong decision. If so, then after you changing it to another one, to another box, then you will win it in 66%. So maybe it sounded a bit complicated or unclear, maybe I'm explaining badly, but let's see the same problem, but not with 3 boxes, but 1,000 boxes. So now you have one choice, one box. You choose one box among 1,000 boxes. The probability of your guessing right is 1/1,000, or 0.1%. Now, when you see the other 998 boxes opened with XRP coins in it, and you have only 2 boxes left, although you may say, okay, it's 50-50, but it's not, right? Because the chances that you actually guessed right for these 2 boxes is not 50%, right? So you actually still have one box which you chose with a possibility of having Bitcoin inside of 1/10 of a percent, 1/1,000, and another box with probability of having Bitcoin in it equal to 99.9%. So in fact, when you have more and more boxes, it becomes more and more obvious, but with 3 boxes it's kind of unclear and confusing. The thing is, you always have to change your choice, and in that case, even in case of the 3 boxes, you will have your statistically correct, successful answer in at least 66%. The more boxes, the more chance you have. So if it's still unclear, please write some comments. We will discuss it and figure out what is there. But idea is, our brain is made in the way that we usually try to find some simple solution, and often our emotions also kick in, and this makes a complete mess. So when you make a decision, especially an investment decision, especially when it deals with your money, especially when it deals with a lot of your money, so you have to make it very carefully and think in a logical way, not go with the crowd, not buy high, sell low, right? And so on. So this is one of the way to understand that in fact some simple things just need a little bit more of the thinking on them, and then you'll be right, you'll be correct. Otherwise this is just simply too fast and wrong decision, at least you could make. Okay, I hope that it could illustrate a little bit the problem of our easy thinking, easy going, and in this way we are doing bad for our portfolios in general, not only, but like life in general as well, and maybe help you to become a better investor, better trader. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope it was useful, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.